Hello students, welcome back to our e-learning classes. In our last class, we already learned lesson number 9, safety first. Now today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 10, our neighborhood. Now before starting the lesson, first we understand what is the means of neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area which is around our house. It comes our neighbors, the peoples lives in our near to our house. We all are living in a family. Like our family near to our house, there are also living other family. They are called our neighbors. So their houses plus shops, maybe there is bank, post office, market. So it's all things comes in our neighborhood. So if our neighborhood is good, then we feel comfortable to live in that particular area. Okay. Now before starting the lessons, let's do one small exercise. Match the peoples you see near your house with their name. So there is given some names and given some people's pictures. So we have to match with the correct name with the correct picture. First one is doctor. What is the dress code of doctor? Wear a white shirt and on his neck there is a stethoscope. So first match with the C. Next, postman. What is the uniform of postman? Wear a khaki uniform and on his shoulder there is one bag. So, second with the B. What is the dress code of policeman? A policeman means who catch the thieves. He have a gun with him. So, third with the option A. Now students, I am going to read the lesson. You have to speak along with me. Okay? We live with our family in a house. Many other people also live near our house. These people are called our neighbor. It is very important to have a good neighbors. So what they tell at the beginnings? We all are living in a family. We have our family house. Like us, other people also live near to our house. These peoples are called neighbors. The peoples who live near to our house, it's called neighborhood. Neighbor. So, if we have a good neighbor, then we feel good. So, it is very important to have a good neighbors. Next, neighborhood is a area around our house. So, what is the means of neighborhood? Neighborhood means the area which is around our house. If this is our house, the area which is around our house, it's called our neighborhood. It includes all the shops, houses and buildings etc. around our house. So what they tell? The area which is called our neighborhood, it includes not only a house but shops, buildings, other houses. These all are called our neighborhood. I hope you understand what is the means of neighborhood. Now see our next page. Which type of service we get in our neighborhood? The services in our neighborhood. Which type of services we will get from our neighborhood? That we are going to learn it. There are many services available in our neighborhood which are very useful to us. This service make our neighborhood a better place to live in. We should respect all the people who offer these services. So what did I tell at the beginning? That services, whatever services we are getting from our neighborhood, that are very useful to us. This service make our neighborhood a better place to live. Everyone want the things near to our house. So these services are make us happy and we love to live at that place where we get everything easily. we should respect all the peoples who offer their service. So those people who are giving us services, we have to respect them, we have to salute them. Which are the important service? Important service available in our neighborhood are, first one is market. So market means the place from where we are purchasing groceries, household things like vegetables, other food item and all things. Okay. So see the first point, market. There are many shops in a market. We can buy many things such as fruit, vegetables, medicines and other grocery items from the market. So what is the means of market? In market there are so many shops. From there we will buy so many things such as fruits, vegetables, medicines and other grocery items, other eatable things we will purchase it from market. If near to our house there is a market, then we easily purchase whatever things we need it anytime. Okay. Now see the next. There is given one small task. This task you have to do by your own self. You must have accompanied your parents to some markets. Fill the tables given below to see how much do you remember about this market. So here students, there is given 3 box, serial number, here you have to given the numbers, name of the shops, whatever shop name is that, and which things, items sold in a shop, which things are we can purchase from that shop, that you have to mention it. These things you have to do by your own self. Okay. Now see the next point, bank. After completing market, what is the next important service? Bank. We can deposit our money and gold in the bank. Bank keep it safe for us. So what is the next service for us? Bank. In a bank what we will do? We can deposit our money and gold things. And what is bank's duty? Bank keep it safe for us. So whatever we are saving the money, we can deposit in a bank, and other things like gold also we can deposit in a bank, and bank keep it safe. Bank will save it safely. So we can't worried about that things, and whenever we need it we can take it from the bank. Now turn the page. After bank, what is other service? Post office. Post office is, what is the thing is doing done in a post office? In olden times there was not a mobile telephone, so that time people contact with each others. If they want to send any message, they will send from the post office. So we can buy stamps, envelope, postcard from the post office. What things we will buy from the post office? Stamps, envelope, postcard. We can also send a letter, parcels, money order, etc. to our friends and relatives. Our money can also be kept in the saving account of the post office. So what the other things post office do? We will send our letter, parcel or money order. If we want to transfer our money, if we want to send a letter to anyone's, or any parcels, any things we want to send to our friends or relatives, then post office will help us. Even whatever our money is, we save it, we can kept it in a post office. So like a bank, post office also saving our money. Next service is, after bank, what is other service? Post office. Post office is, what is the thing is doing done in a post office? In olden times there was not a mobile telephone, so that time people contact with each others. If they want to send any message, they will send from the post office. So we can buy stamps, envelope, postcard from the post office. What things we will buy from the post office? Stamps, envelope, postcard. We can also send a letter, parcels, money order, etc. to our friends and relatives. Our money can also be kept in the saving account of the post office. So, what the other things post office do? We will send our letter, parcel or money order. If we want to transfer our money, if we want to send a letter to anyone's or any parcels, any things we want to send to our friends or relatives, then post office will help us. Even whatever our money is, we save it, we can kept it in a post office. So like a bank, post office also saving our money. Next service is police station. What is the thing is related to police stations? That policemen catch the thieves who are going against to law. The policemen catch it and they will keep them in a police stations. Every neighborhood has a police stations. There are a police stations in the police station. Sorry. Hospital and clinic. There is next service is school. We all love to come in a school, yes, but during this pandemic conditions we can't meet each other, we can't come in a schools. Do you miss your school? Yes, we all miss our school. So what is the school's service? Children go to school to learn how to read and write. They also learn good manners and good habit in the school. So what school do for the children? In a schools, children learn how to read and write. Even school also teach them the good manners and good habits. So children learn a good manner and good habit from the school. Now see the next point. Chemist shop. We can buy the different kind of medicine from the chemist shop. So, what is our next service? Chemist shop. Whenever we need any medicines, we can purchase from the chemist shop. So, from the chemist shop, we easily get any medicines, whatever we need. But before purchasing the medicines, we have to consult it with our doctor. So students, I hope you understand these lessons, our neighborhood and the things, the services which is related to our neighborhood. For understanding it more properly, let's revise it again. Let's revise it whatever we learn. Lesson number 10, our neighborhood. Neighbors means the people who lives near to our house. They are called our neighbor. Next is neighborhood. Neighborhood means the things which is near to our house. The area which is near to our house is called our neighborhood. In neighborhood, which type of services we get? Post office, police stations, school, library, hospital, fire stations. Okay. Now, services in our neighborhood. The places which are near to our house, they are providing us some different services. If we get services better, then we feel better to live in that particular area. Next, first one is market. From a market, what things we will do? We can purchase the things like fruit, vegetables, grocery. So, household works we will purchase from the market. In market there are so many shops. Next point is bank. What is bank duty? They will deposit our money and gold and they will keep it safe. So whatever our earning is there, we will kept in a bank and they will save it safely. So whenever we need it, we will take it from the bank. Next is post office. Post office, what things we will get from the post office? Envelopes, letter, cards. What is the post office duty? they will send a money order, postcard to our relatives or friends. So whenever we want to send any message to our relative or friend, post office will help it. Like a bank, post office also save our money in a saving account. Next is police stations. What is police station's duty? In police station there is a policeman. The policeman's duty is the people who are going against the law, they will catch them and kept in the police stations. They will protect us from the thieves and the bad people. Next is fire station. What is fire station's duty? Whenever there is fire start, that time we call fire stations. Then fire stations, firemen will come and they will stop that fire and protect us from the fire. Fire station have their fire engines, water pipe and all things. So they will easily stop the fire. Next is hospital or clinic. In a hospital or clinic, what they will do? There is a peoples like doctor and nurse. Whenever we become a sick or we are not feeling well, then we will consult them. Doctor will first of all check us and then they will give us a medicines. And what is nurse's duty? They will take care of the patients. Next point is school. So school is important for the children. In childhood we are doing the studies. So school is an institute. We provide us the educations. In a school, children learn how to read and speak. Plus they also learn a good manners. Next is chemist shop. From the chemist shop we can easily purchase any medicines. So when we have to purchase the medicine from the chemist shop. Before purchasing any medicine, first we have to consult our doctor. So students, I hope you understand this lesson, our neighborhood. Thank you.